Wake up with purpose, not pressure. Even 1 hour earlier can change your mindset, productivity, and confidence. The first battle of the day is against your own comfort.
You are not stuck. You are undisciplined. Your life is not falling apart by accident. It is built by your daily choices, and right now those choices are destroying your future. You wake up tired even after enough sleep. You open your phone and lose hours. You promise yourself change, but nothing changes. Days turn into weeks and weeks into years. You feel behind, but you keep repeating same habits. No one is coming to fix this for you. No motivation will save you. The truth is simple. Your discipline is your life. Everything you have and everything you lack comes from it. Rule 1. You wake up before comfort wins. Rule 2. Do not touch your phone morning. Rule 3. You attack hardest task first. Rule 4. Train your body even when unwilling. Rule 5. Feed mind with learning, not distraction. Rule 6. Remove what steals your focus. Rule 7. Protect sleep like future depends. If you follow this for 30 days, you change. Not slowly, not maybe, but clearly. You stop being the person who reacts. You become the person who leads your own life. Discipline becomes your identity, not your struggle. People will notice something different in you. You will feel it first. Control, clarity, direction. This is not motivation. This is a decision. Your old life will not fight fairly. It will try to pull you back. But every disciplined action breaks that pull. Start today, not tomorrow again. Because in 30 days you will thank yourself for regret.